This wig and this packaging together, abona Mother's Day present for sure, for sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Lady Hair Company, and baby, I am so obsessed with this wig. This is a salt and pepper wig, and it is long, it is silky, it is soft, it is shiny. Bona, I'm giving this wig a 10 out of 10. This wig is giving a mature woman with a youthful twist. It is giving boss babe. I'm really obsessed. Look at that, guys. It is super lightweight, but at the same time it is full. Look at that. Look at the volume. It is absolutely full. I love the density of this wig. You know, with Mother's Day around the corner, I am definitely going to get my mom and my aunt this wig because, honey, it is a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. It is giving boss babe. I love it so much. So you have to get your mom this wig. You have to get your auntie this wig, and you also have to get yourself this wig, period. Okay, without any further ado, you guys, let's get straight into today's video. So I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know what to expect when you purchase hair from Ladies Hair Company, and this is the box. OMG, it is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, they were kind enough to send me an HD wig cap, and straight out of the box, let's see how the wig looks. Oh my goodness. Ladies Hair Company said, baby girl, we are going to pluck this wig for you. Okay, the hairline is plucked. Look at that. The hairline is nicely plucked and bleached. Yo, I also love the fact that this lace is nice and soft. Look at that, you guys. Look at the hairline. This wig is so lightweight, but it is also very full. Look at this. Very lightweight, very full at the same time. I don't know how they did it, and I love the quality of this wig. I'm really impressed. So let me show you guys how the wig looks inside. It has about 4 combs inside, is 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 right here at the back. It has this adjustable band, and of course 2 extra adjustable belts as well. As I love salt and pepper wigs so much because they've got a youthful twist in them. Okay, like I love this wig so much. You will see how it's going to look so hot on me. Yes. Yo. Yes. Guys, do you see how soft this wig is? Yo. The hairline. Wow. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and, of course, for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Soul Ladies Hair Company. Until next time, you guys. Bye.